Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into renovate. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Restore. Which means repair or renovate a building, work of art, etc. so as to return it to its original condition. Restore. For example, the building has been carefully restored. Number 2. Revamp. Which means give new and improved form, structure, or appearance to. Revamp. For example, they plan to revamp the kitchen. Number 3. Repair. Which means restore something damaged, faulty, or worn to a good condition. Repair. For example, an army of seamstresses repaired costumes and cut new ones. Number 4. Modernize. Which means adapt something to modern needs or habits, typically by installing modern equipment or adopting modern ideas or methods. Modernize. For example, the company is investing $9 million to modernize its manufacturing facilities. Number 5. Overhaul. Which means take apart a piece of machinery or equipment in order to examine it and repair it if necessary. Overhaul. For example, I've been overhauling the gearbox. Number 6. Reconstruct. Which means reorganize something. Reconstruct. For example, the building had to be substantially reconstructed. Number 7. Rebuild. Which means build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. Rebuild. For example, they must have spent a colossal amount rebuilding the stadium. Number 8. Refurbish. Which means renovate and redecorate something, especially a building. Refurbish. For example, the premises have been completely refurbished in our corporate style. Number 9. Rehabilitate. Which means return something, especially a building or environmental feature, to its former condition. Rehabilitate. For example, the campaign aims to rehabilitate the river's floodplain. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.